Some people, I have two live where I go share with you know. And I tell you now, it look like some mackerel. Go call the wrong person name. So Mackerel and Miss Blinger I play scene, and I don't know if you know watch them when them a play match on TikTok, but I be a cousin go on. Mackerel try to disrespect Blinger in the most way. Blinger try her best, you know what I mean, for challenge Mackerel, but Blinger can't manage Mackerel. Mackerel more bad. So I say, I don't know if you never watch like Mackerel and Nikisha I play a match yet. Them ever cuss each other. You know what I mean? I feel them style that. And Mackerel have a bad piece of mouth, my people. So Mackerel start beat Miss Blinger about fasting in a dinner and Rochelle business. Talk about Dewey, you know what I mean, and Queenie situation. A whole heap of name call. But Mackerel gonna mention cause baby mother name come. I mean I telling you people, look like the wrong name Mackerel go call, because cause baby mother come respond to Mackerel, and you know what I mean, it look like say she a go even make them whop up Mackerel down at Jamaica. People, the live yeah, festive bad. So make we kick it off and start to watch what go on. You know what I mean? From start to finish, the live festive.
Fuck all in here right now. In here now why you all shift up catching. No, man, you could have fucked in here right now. You know why you. You know what color is from people blood clot. You want blood clot. Move your blood clot. Get your ear clutches. Move your ear clutches. Move your pocket pussy. Go on. Blood clot. Look at me that shrivel up. You want some Derek. You know what I think that. Move your pussy. Move your blood pussy. No one of them can blood pussy. Nothing to say to me. You're torment. You're done. Blood clot, girl, you condemn. Move the blood clot pussy. What are infected? Come on, from in here. You stop pussy. You fuck body. You stop pussy. You lick up body. And you take nobody else. Nobody alone want your pussy. Nobody else. Nobody else want your pussy. Your pussy little bit owl. If I'm not TikTok, you're not eat. If I'm not TikTok, you're not eat. If I'm not TikTok, you're not eat. Blinger, when you all put it in there, move your blood clot. People them get your blood clot. That's who me no want right. People them is not a wife. Fuck me. Come on, the people them is not a wife. Blinger, nobody wants you. Blood clot. You need a life. You need a life. You need a career. You need to fuck with yourself. Move the blood clot all and get pussy. Move the blood. Be a big one, have a look at all and get pussy. Love me blood clot. Be a big man, me look good no blood clot. And I can mash up the blood. You look like all those if you tumble on by your bum. You sure knows when you reach my age, if you live to see my age, and I'm going to look like blood clots me. You look like all those when you my age, and I'm going to look like me. I'm going to can't me a mash up the whole on the blood clot. And another kind of blood clot problem. Me no Dahlia, me no blood clot bar, because me no Mackerel, take off the wig. Take off the wig. Take off the wig, girl. Me a queen. One rose. You dirty blood clot. One rose. You understand? One, yeah. We don't need to take off no wig. You don't have no blood clot. We got me not tell you if you're dead. Might as well I need have on one. I alone say that. I alone say that. You have blood clot dead. Guys, I'm shoot on the double. My body get up for you. Me chop off it blood clot. Remember me tell you that. Remember your blood clot. Get up for you, my friend. Remember your pussy kill cop. Remember your pussy kill cop. All and dead. For your kids. You understand? Double. You hear Pandinier and blood clot, Rochelle, can boy now marry blood clot. What Pandinier and Rochelle have when me no blood clot have? Me can't breathe. You because the girl now left her husband. What Pandinier and Rochelle have? Because the girl now left her husband. Who gives a fuck? I don't care. You never fuck and breed other girl. You never fuck and breed other girl. Because the girl now left them husband and that boy never choose you. You never fuck you already. Because RT Park your blood clot up. Review the case and then you park you up.
After me don't review the case, me left it when I feel like stop my blood clot.
I keep the blood clot up, and Rochelle still keep her husband.
None of you make me stop. None of you
Yeah, because blood clot, Rochelle still keep her husband.
None of you.
People, you see mackerel mouth very bad. And a whole heap of time I see Miss Blinger try to keep up with mackerel on the cussing, but mackerel always win in the long run. Mackerel and Miss Blinger have a, you would have say, a love-hate relationship, would have say, because when them both be a cussing, you know what I mean, and sometimes them reason out whatever still. Me don't know if Miss Blinger hate mackerel for real and mackerel hate her for real, or just for them style, because every time I see them do it. But mackerel always I go some places and I say some things where Miss Blinger can't manage. You know what I mean? But it look like mackerel go too far in that one, yeah. Is it? So make watch some more.
The blood clot. When you hear of me, you
mash up my marriage. You hear Panga will say, "Unu can't mash up my marriage." Move your blood clot and I walk and wreck people home. Move your blood clot and I have none. Move your blood clot. Move your breed out bumble hole. You breed out no fuck.
Remember say you're dog shit. You so cocky like dog. You're so cocky so till you hide your face now when you're so cocky. When you're so cocky, you hide face round your so. You're so good so till your face so good and you hide your face now. That's why you're so good. You're so good. Come on, buddy. You don't know nobody. You don't know nobody. You don't know nobody but you.
Suck with a boy that keep you moving.
You're so good. You're cocky sucking look bad drunk. Move your dimmy blood clot. Your ugly look like pussy.
Young girl them for keep a boy.
No. You're worthless. You're a worthless cutlass. You're a worthless little blood clot girl. You're worthless
blood clot. Rochelle Kashina left her husband. Only
blood clot, you're going to have something in your life.
You're worthless.
You're worthless. You don't worry about blood clot with you. Mackerel me not been a game with your drunk face. You look sometimes I come from over here. Come back over yourself, you look sometimes. The bitch broke every minute chest send me the match people. Me tell you, Mackerel, me tell you. You hurt me. My head hurt me. I lie, you a blood clot tail. I lie, you a tail. You don't know me life. You don't know me blood clot life. Anybody say you tell them go full up underneath them mother big stinking pussy. And the whole of on TikTok where I said I come over here all the time. Girl never stop on your dirty blood clot because you want the kinds them and you don't know how to ask for them. You never come over here to come make the kinds off of me. You crazy. Move your dirty blood clot. Batman fuck you. You put the shit up. You put the shit up. Batman fuck you, Mackerel. You don't have enough blood clot, tell me.
You is a refuge.
You don't have enough to tell me. You don't have enough to tell me. Move your dibby blood clot. Them walk and use your panic up like crazy. True because them can't come to me. Them have to send you. True them can't come to me. Them have to send you. You and them go fall up and down the dirty blood clot. The one them man in a girl there. Who not send out them cocky pictures to girl and fuck them. Suck on yourself. Anybody send Mackerel go suck on the blood clot.
Coming here back to the husband.
Cocky and a big blood clot. None of them blood clot on TikTok can't talk to blood clot me. Like them man do innocent.
Telling the explanation about his wife.
None of them girl we are set up for me. Them man do innocent. None of them girl we are set up for me. Them man do innocent. Them man a fuck like dog. Them man just a stay with them because of convenience. So it go. True.
Blinger. Where you say? I baby boy now coming in your box come congregate about him wife. I baby boy now coming in your box.
Coming in the box and him coming in my box. We eat up him dirty blood clot. You crazy.
So people, me get to understand say one youth didn't get outside. And at one point, him wife did tell him, say, yo, you know what I mean, him can go to the road, go get a youth, because the doctor them say she couldn't get no picnic. You see me I say? So it look like during the time there, it happened, I'm not 100% sure. You see it, and at the same youth where After them and Real Dog them did a talk about in a the long time there. You see it? So that come back out, you know, because him go make a statement or him say something and the woman never like it. So the woman show the DNA test and something. So that a cause the banger wrong. So I guess him and him wife they deal with that already. You know what I mean? But him come out and apologize to her. So it look like say them never really did deal with it. You understand? In the right way, everything never get explained and them something there. You know what I mean? Maybe him did tell her something for just comfort her and never really give her the full details of everything. You see what I say? And me no want the people them say me a bias and me a pick up for the man side because me a man and them something there. But if a woman and a man in a whatever, you know what I mean, relationship or whatever, pan the side, if he is a side piece and you know about the man wife, because I don't like say to hide, them are public people, them they on social media, so the female must know say yo, the man have him wife and she catch a belly. She should have known from the get go say yo, you know what I mean, Ray. You see me? But me no know if the two of them did plan to bring the youth and hide the youth. You see me I say? So me personally, if a female know say yo, me have my woman and them something they want to bring a youth same way, me go tell her say she dey on her own. You know what I mean? Why me no know if it's still, because if me know say my youth on a level, me I go want in him life. You see it. But I have to just wrap it up here, man. Just wrap it up. That's all me have to tell the man them. Wrap it up. Because I know every time you can pull out. You know what I mean? Wrap it up. And as me said, the morning after, the plan B, yeah, man, have that on deck. You see me I say, if you have that and give her, if you take it and she not take it, she dey on her own if she bring the youth. You see me I say, use a boat. If not, always have a plan B. That me I tell the man them say. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Then you live under my life, Mackerel. Then you live under my blood clot life. Then you live under my life. Then you live under this blood clot. But then you can't come up yourself. The millionaires them will crucify him blood clots. Him can't come in my box. Him can't come in my box. Him have to sit down and just watch me. Him can't come in my box. Then you live underneath my life and the girl them see that I know that.
With it have the media. When the boy have an outside child and him not left him wife and him wife not left him. Remember some of them dead do a spot, some of them vows, when you couldn't mash up the people in relationship.
Yeah, bring the Russian style. Yeah, bring the Russian style. And everybody knows that you do. Use a blood clot. You're timing. Yeah, bring down the girl and the style. And that's how you do the whole place.
Hey!
Yeah, go and put it over your class, Rochelle, or a style, Rochelle. We don't know nothing about blood clot, Rochelle. We are review case, drunk. If you don't look the kinds them. If you don't look the kinds them, you should have look the kinds them. You don't come here, so. Evil blood clot, girl. Evil girl, yes, evil girl, you're well, no man never take no go with you. How you feel? No man never take no go with you. You don't mad. You don't feel bad. Me glad say rice now for carrot no more shit in a blood clot bucket. Move your dibby worthless blood clot.
Move your blood clot.
You make woman look bad. Your crosses, you make woman look bad. Look on the time now. And you still shit in a blood clot bucket. You corrupt.
I don't want a blood clot load to carry. On the blood clot, you rush it back to carry water too much.
You're too wicked.
You rush it back to carry water too much.
You come over here and bring down a girl. You're too tight cutlass. You're wicked. Now, Mr. Wayano.
You rush your basket to
no,
carry
you
water
and
too
bring down
much.
a girl. Nobody know over here bring down Russia, and you come over here and bring down the girl and the
Bring
style
out
you
now
fucking
wicked.
shit
Bring out
out.
now wicked. Bring a
Then
kind of
you
boy
live
now.
under my life and then you
Bring a
can't
move
blood
your
clot
blood
come up here
clot.
because
Nah,
you
no
see me
blood
come up
clot
here, the girl
marriage.
them chew him up
Bring
and
a
spit
move
him
with your
out.
unhappy
Because
blood
him know
clot
them wrong.
life.
Move your blood
Bring
clot
a
and
some
go.
bang get more people
That's why
life.
Rice left a long time.
Bring it.
Rice
You have
one left you.
no
A
wrong
long
for
time
boy
Rice
left me.
one left your
A boy
blood clot
supposed to
because
left
your
me.
heart black,
A
your
boy
mind black.
supposed to left
Every
me.
blood
A boy I
clot
can
thing.
support. And the
That's
people,
why
a
I'm
boy
left because you're
supposed to left
wicked.
me.
No, I'm left
A
because
boy
you're wicked and lie. You
supposed to
you
left
come over
me.
here to bring down the girl.
Bring a
Understand?
your wicked. Bring a
No,
member
me
that boy
can't
the
bring more
engaged
than
for
blood
the much
clot
sex
you.
marriage.
Me
Bring a
can't bring more than
babe.
blood clot you,
Bring
Mackerel.
a
I'm tired of
babe.
you. I'm tired of you now. You get enough money? John Cray, you get enough money yet? You get enough money yet? Big pussy girl, you get enough money yet? You fuck out like dog. You can't walk past cemetery because if you walk past cemetery, you hear, my name, you is a good thing you carry blood clot for
Guys,
the
come on,
fuck.
guys.
God.
Nobody now propose to Blinga.
Me God.
Guys,
I like
nobody now
that thing you
Blinga
know
now
like
the
this.
husband, so Blinga don't know what how important it is.
No, fuck.
You see me I telling you people, mackerel mouth bad. You see me? Bling a can't manage mackerel in the toe to toe. You see me? So it look like say this are not a play thing. Because I see them do it over and over already, you know. You know what I mean? But it look like say them just not like each other. Cause Blinger come for mackerel sometime, mackerel come for Blinger sometime. And when mackerel and rice did fall out and you know what I mean, them attack them story over Blinger live, everything did go on. So me don't know. Mackerel and Blinger friendship, me don't know if you put it as if them are enemy or friends. You see me I say? Because me ever see them a cuss and mackerel ever tell Blinger sound sitting. You know what I mean? But upon a level still, Blinger them a entertain the people them. You know what I mean? If something out in the space, them a go talk about it. You see it? And that a little entertainment for enough people. You see me I say? Me no feel like say them mean no harm in no way by it. Them just go up my panel and do a discussion and you can defend whoever you want to defend. You understand me I say? And the person who involved in it, them open up the platform for that person to come talk for them side of the story because enough time me see them a talk about some people and the people them just join in at the live and she just end everything right this and say, you know what, like how you come talk your story and ray. Yo, I'm not gonna further with it. You see me I say? So I just I look at entertainment. You know what I mean? Me no feel like say them mean a big harm by discussing people issue. You know what I mean?
Yeah, look like a kind. Come say I look like a kind. And don't come over here so. You come over here so. Me a try to think. I'm playing a match with you. I'm tired.
Bring me in come.
No, if you have that
Part
people,
two.
some kinds and stop talking about me and bring down people. Come in and bring down a body. We never know say people hate the young lady. And you know what I like to do? You want wicked blood clot, girl.
Yeah, people always have them opinion upon the girl for real, you know what I mean? A lot of people have them opinion upon her a certain way. That a Rochelle Dinier wife.
You got prison girl. You talk about me know say people not like the girl and you know me new to the app. Not even 2 years me not upon the app yet. So me I gonna know that there's something about people.
You're not for new to the app for know some people that like the blood
Me
clot
I gonna
woman.
know. Bitch, me
You
I
don't
gonna
have
know.
to new to the app. You don't have to new to the app for know some people don't like the woman. Look here, Blinger. You don't have to respect people sometime. Honestly, the people that deal with it off the media as where the husband come and say. Right, Blinger? And we know you hear it. But now the girl bitter, so the girl want proof say, yeah, I take your man and I give him my baby. So Blinger could just never have to start in life for the woman.
You not understand. We never start in life for the woman. We see the case, and me get the case here from last week. Somebody sent me the DNA, and me don't know if I the baby mother or who. I me never post nothing or put up nothing. Me never do nothing. One long message come back at it. I me never send nothing. Me avoid it. Cause true me know Dinier and me play match with him. I'm saying no, the guy look really okay, like him humble, whatever.
12 plus the one who was.
So I see the case. I'm a click it live. I'm start review the case. Mackerel, nobody never had bring down Rochelle. We don't know me, no know Rochelle. Maybe the people them know Rochelle. You know me no watch blood clot.
You have good Wi-Fi.
For cuss people back when them are cuss
12
me and the
plus
people.
one was quick, guys, quick.
No. What
One
me feel
more.
like you do? Me feel like you come over here and bring her down on that style. That's how me feel. Cause we never know some of the things that what you say.
Bling, remember me have to come. Bling, me have to come over here, come bring down nobody. If I have something to say about somebody, I clip my own life, and me and my people that congregate about it. But me see her on the screen, I have to adjust you. Say, Blinger, boy, Blinger, bad to bad, the man go out there and him say make a mistake, and him not say what him do is right, and ray, and bling. Some of the girl them over your life, some of them baby father call them auntie, and you have them over there, bring down the man, and I bring down the woman.
So right here, so at the start, our Mackerel go too far because this are the part where she go mention about cause woman baby mother come because cause call her auntie. You see me I say, and me just want to say this also. The female we get pregnant for the year, you know what I mean? Some of the things them what she do, she never did have to do it. You know what I mean? The reason why he out in the public like this is because the dog must say him have one picnic. You know what I mean? And him no mention her kid or her child. Why she come out and show DNA tests and all these things. You know what I mean? She the dog I say she could have just, you know what I mean, like reach out to him and say, how come you say you have one picnic? You know what I mean? Because as far as like taking care of the youth, like them dark court for that, I think. You know what I mean? For him start pay child support and them something there. So that part they would have get taken care of. So this just seems to me like a bitter baby mother or bitter side chick. You know what I mean? We want to get highlight and want up in the dog life and know say him have him woman and the youth. Although the youth born or something, it was like something like a mistake. You know what I mean? Woman have to understand them position in a man's life and accept whatever comes with it. You know from good morning say you never did a wife. Me not really bash her still, you know, but you have some woman where them try to bring down a man if them can get the man for themselves or up in the man life and them know from the jump say the man have a woman. You see me I say?
Stop that. Say come. Move your blood clot and say come. Say come and stop. Say some of them baby father.
Some of them baby father breed them auntie come and you over there bling and you fi set some example bling in the TikTok for fraternity. No little example bling remember some of them
At this moment she realized she fucked up.
baby father tell them say them mother have to prove it. Them mother have
TikTok
to
police can the girl were over your life. The girl were over your life where talk said TikTok police her son, LOL. TikTok police can't be my son because I breed when me at 17 and I never breed when me at 17. I breed when time me at 24. Cause suck your mother.
No, you can't be my son. Bring over here and tell people them for suck them mother.
Of course over there. One girl over there. Two girl over there will say. So TikTok police innocent. Move and go lady. TikTok police is her son. Go suck your mother like Mackerel says someone over here.
You cannot stop a comment section from voicing their opinion. Just like people cannot write the blood clot.
No, but them say what they want to
you cannot talk about my comment
I'm not
section.
stopping anybody, bitch.
Tell me girl them over there bring down Dinier and Rochelle them for them blood clot. Bring the people and theater people marriage life. So see them comment section them life.
No,
me get blood clot them life.
Them send me where them over where two girl over there say about me. So I just answer back.
Tell the comment
Me
section
can't
to
beat
come
them. Them
beat
can't
them.
beat me neither.
Oh,
Because
no
guess
move
what?
with
Me
the
there
blood
Jamaica.
clot, nana
Me
ring
there
bumbo
Jamaica. Me there
one.
Portmore Mall in a line. Me there walk up and down the whole of blood clot Portmore Mall and them see me and them cable say blood clot now. But Miss Blinger, a
Nobody
she,
was
yes, a she. None
bling
of them
bling.
can't do me blood clot now. Moving on dirty, the
Bling
bit
bling, a truly
bumbo.
and dumb animal they say in real life is a cruelty. Leave them. Leave the blood clot people and bling bling. Because when the comment section over there bring down dinner and say bad to bad I'm wife, you never ever tell them to go stop them mother. So you walk on this my people over here. Oh dear Uno.
I'm
Oh
not
dear.
dissing your people. It's two girls over there said something and I say something back. I'm not dissing your people. Your people not doing nothing. Two girls said something and me answer back. What wrong with that?
Bling bling. Bling bling, let me tell you what the next hot topic. Bling bling. Come on, you come off for dinner and rush. Cause the man don't have him two daughters. And there's nothing one can do a blood clot about it. Cause him don't have him two daughters. Find the next blood clot topic go pan. Bling bling.
Yes, sir, you're going to tell me our next hot topic.
Find the next blood clot topic go
Me
pan.
never know say, me never know say, Mac, Denier, Rochelle topic hot.
Of course.
Then if
What
Denier
that?
and Rochelle topic hot, what you say about Maya and Mika?
That not that a full topic.
Okay.
Me never hear go pan roast topic yet.
What was topic? Tell
Oh,
me.
you never go pan roast the roast baby father cost and then I look up pum pum. Oh, you never go pan that the topic.
But after me not know about that and you are tell we know. Me not know about that.
Never know. One thing we did, we never know about nothing yet.
No, and because the girl them go send me in topic what makes sense. Baby father supposed to look simple.
You never know about nothing yet.
Baby father supposed to look pum pum. So if Rose and her baby father cuss and him a look pum pum, him supposed to do it. So what kind how that the topic at? Your man no cuss ya, your man no cuss and he can't look like a pum pum from you.
You want to go? You
I
want to
want
go?
Supreme Court. Me I run DB court.
You want to go? Mika and more. You want in a blood clot ranker business. Go pan roads and go cuss out her baby father.
I was going with Mika and Maya.
And the two of them cuss, and then she want to close her legs when the man is open it up. Move your blood clot and come off a blood clot the people them. Mika blood clot, Maya move it.
Me did it on Rosalie live one at a time, just the other day, but maybe 2 days ago I was sitting. Where it's like our man want the nookie from her. But me never really watch it too long. You see me I say? And like the man I take the nookie from her, you know. You see me as she have her on the live. But me think like say some things not really, you know what I mean, show up on the net certain way. You see me? But to each his own. You know what I mean? Because the life did I get kind of steamy away because you know some woman, if you live with your woman and she say boy, she don't want to give you none of the Nokia and sitting and you know what I mean? She want to give you but she a go on like and you go on until she give it. It look like a something like that. You know what I mean? With the man, because she now put up too much resistance certain way, you know, because Rosalie a big woman, you know, fat woman. So if she never really want him to take it, him couldn't. You know what I mean? All she have to do is just lift up one of them foot there and just boom and kick him off her bed. You know what I mean?
It's just somebody from my life.
Anyway, you kind of look decent today. I want
Cause guess what? If him leave, I know my pussy fault. Remember good
no, why you look decent today? Which cocky I got suck now? Next time, you said that you look pretty. Don't hide your face when you suck the order. Don't hide your face. Open up your blood clots, yeah. For man love when time would have suck on you, look on them too. So stop holding your head so. Stop it. And do it so.
Bling, that wasn't me. You can't mash. Bling, that wasn't me. You can't come tell no lie. I have no false accusation about me. That wasn't me. It wasn't me. Okay?
I don't have a problem with hood sucking.
I don't have a problem. I don't have no problem with wood sucking, but that wasn't me. So true, me not a problem. Most people could tell lie for me. You can't go blood clot, tell no blood clot lie for me. Cause Bling, I remember the boy I never blood clot engaged to you much as my blood clot you. Be a blood clot, bad man cocky. So get him and say suck RT cock.
Yeah.
Guys, big up you. Get him and say suck RT cock. Get him and say goggle RT balls. We know about it. Cause I guess all Queenie fuck RT. You all on the fuck RT. All on the fuck.
Yeah, I know that. So Mackerel say everybody, me don't feel like say nothing going between Bling and RT boss. As for Queenie and RT boss, that is a mystery. Yeah, so me I say, cause one of the time me I say, no sir, nothing like that. But then one of the time me I say, hold on, it look like something go on here. So because as me say people, woman smart, you know. Woman smart. Them now go jeopardize them relationship certain way. Like how man would have go out there and just go jeopardize them relationship. You know what I mean? Woman, if them a cheat some of the time, them a cheat with some man will have something for lose. So if anything broke out, the two of them are gonna lose. You see me I say, so at that me I look pan and I say, you know, say maybe something go on between RT boss and Queenie. You see me? But I can be wrong. You know what I mean? And I said maybe. So it's not a fact. I know something where me I say yes it happened. You know what I mean? Me I look upon it and say maybe it happened. And me post up say do it the back of Jamaica. You so me I say in one of the video them. I don't remember which video. And somebody I say boy I lie me I tell do it in Jamaica and way. Him there Jamaica. You so me I say if you look good, other people are say it. You know what I mean? And the picture when we have on the thumbnail we do it, that a recent picture. You so me I say the shoes we have on America, I'm go buy the shoes there. And him a show it. That are the lower button. Remember see another one with Queenie buy that, you know. You see it. A fresh shoes that. And him post up on him Instagram too. Him just now come live and show him location certain way. But the dog Jamaica. You know what I mean? And also a next picture in the video with Dewey and Queenie a kiss. You see me? So facts did if you prove say Bymada Jamaica, I'm not spread no line on a propaganda. You see me?
As long as see somebody who don't feel like say. As long as see somebody who don't feel like say. As long as somebody who don't feel like say them do this. You think everybody easy, big pussy girl. Everybody don't stay like you. Everybody don't stay like you. You have some people.
The whole lot of fuck.
Stop call Queenie name. Stop call Queenie name. Stop call Queenie blood clot name.
Got any blood clot body name.
You can't walk in a Queenie shoes, no dear.
Stop
it. Stop call people name when you can't walk in them shoes. You have to stop it.
Girl, we can't get 10K to 99, guys. We can't get 3 wheel, guys. 10K to 99. One Interstellar, guys. 2 baby kid. More go 99 penny ranking, guys. 10K, guys.
You better you say that and start talk about yourself so people can shoot girl. And stop come over here come call good people name.
Come guys, 14 rules. Call Queenie fuck RT, the whole lot of fuck RT and RT.
Move your blood clot. Move and go, you just hurt. You hurt the plan. Nobody now look for you. And either to look for you, them think you have for you.
Let me tell you something. You didn't know some girl who got RT, yard and bait things and all of these good things.
That have nothing to do with blood clot.
RT couldn't fuck me because RT is not my time. Guys, 14 people
right now.
14 people want rules. 14 people want rules.
Any man take up your right now, I them a look. Put it there when you say you don't have no eye. True.
Una fuck till una fuck anything.
No, that's you. That's not you. You never call for no bag of blood clot boy, yeah?
Yeah.
You ever see a video with we are sucking a wood boy, yeah?
We don't know.
You ever blood clot? You barely quick another wee boy, yeah? Mackerel, you need to go blood clot.
I want video leak come up. I want video. Guys, when you use it.
You can't blood clot walk in a Queenie shoes.
We don't want to walk in another shoes that were Queenie. I have no shoes that. For walk and take back the boy, them. I said the boy ill treat. I said, me don't want that. The shoes, they are one shoes. Me don't want to walk in.
But a long time, Rice, ill treat you. You need to sit down with him. You know,
I
two Rice left.
Private more than a boy
Two
ill treat.
Rice left.
Triple guys, triple.
Left up and left now. Can you name a left?
Ill treat me in a private.
You name a left.
Boy that ill treat me in a public. Guys, triple. I'd rather a boy ill treat me in a private. More than a boy come ill treat in a public and someone come ball and then me take him back and then me ball and then me take him back and then when he gone, me start shit, piece of myself, put myself in a depression. I don't want that love.
Mackerel
I don't want it. I'm sorry.
Mackerel mode bad, you know.
I don't want that shoes to walk into. I don't want no boy come kill me off. I don't want that shoes. No boy that shoes is one shoes I don't want to go into. Sorry. That heels is one heels I don't want to wear. Sorry. Yeah? I will wear any other shoes. But it's when a boy embarrass me in a public many times, or even one time, or a boy get a baby for me, I don't want those shoes to walk in. Sorry.
Remember saying when Rice left you, a hospital and almost pick you up, so all that go.
We attack. We attack. When Rice take me was one of the greatest moments in my life.
Then how is great when you did that alive, I cry till all nose not and so I come.
You know why I cry? Because sometimes we spend time and energy on the wrong person. It is going to hurt. No, but I feel like you hurt about the situation. You don't hurt about the person. So don't get it twisted. Okay? You hurt about the facts there, them not in them child's life. It do hurt. The fact that every child deserves their parents. Okay? Every child deserves their parents. But a boy now go blood clot, put acne in my face, and a boy now go there and get a pity for me. And a boy now go, Dada! And a boy now go this and a boy, and I'm going to stay. Snipe, guys, snipe. Focus on sniping. There's certain things I am not going to do as a girl in the midfield. Yeah. Remember me young, you know? Remember me young. Queenie a big woman. So maybe she thinks, say, you know, there's no greater love than that man love. Me young, me have many options, many more blood clot things to do because the midfield big. Yeah, what you saying about now?
All Mackerel, them just attack. I chat Mackerel, I chat, you know. Remember say, a Rice left and gone about in business, you know. I hear him a chat tough. And he did a ball. Mackerel go. We don't believe you, Mackerel. We need more people.
If Rice come back tomorrow morning, you take him back.
Oh.
So shut the fuck up.
Me nah blood clot. You know why? Me nah blood clot hurt him and the day when my baby did in a hospital for me. Sorry.
Oh, so that's the reason.
That boy, one boy, me nah hurt.
It's good for no say loyal,
Rice there when the baby in hospital. Rice could have created a fake page. He did not.
Fake
Rice
page.
never choose him child. Our next man choose Rice child. What you saying now, Bling Bling? You want to listen to my story?
Yeah.
Okay, listen.
I'm tired of
When
your
the
dirty
baby
blood.
was in hospital, when the baby was in hospital, why never create a fake page to reach out to him child if I block him as what they all said? Eh?
So, you want to block the man, and the man for jump through how much hoops to get back to you, when you could have just unblock the man because the youth are going to surgery so that the man can correspond with you and find out what go on with the youth. Even if the man did build a fake page, you wouldn't respond to him. Because enough woman just, you know what I mean, spiteful them weird. You understand? I don't think Mackerel would respond to that youth if him build a fake page and reach out to her. He'd block a fake page too. You see me?
To somebody that don't mind them pick me. What you saying? If the boy start minding pick me tomorrow, I come tell you, what I want to say, boy, I mind him youth, you know.
And him for mind him pick me.
He's a different man. Blood clot.
Him for mind him pick me and do what he can. But again, Mackerel say him now make the man chat to the picnic, him now send a picture to the man and nothing like that. And she has said she want the man send whatever him need to send for the picnic to a next person. Nothing wrong with that. You see me I say him need to play a father role. But if you are go push with the man, that I go kind of discourage him to do certain things. You know what I mean? But as me say, him need to take care of him youth. That are the number one thing. And Mackerel, she for open up the line of communication so that the man can communicate with her and send whatever him want to send. If you come get the picnic, don't make it difficult for the man. You know what I mean? Simple as that.
Baby, and did it. If never take up phone and say, hey, are the quickest. So right, can't come back, come kick out that the man the foot of the dead in my downtime. You're crazy.
Mackerel, listen
At
me, I'm
least you
serious
loyal,
now.
Mackerel.
The perfect tell me out our own mouth say him give Rice money to give you. You understand? So what happened to them the money then?
Why them never come show you the money? Remember to show I can lick out the man body, you know?
What?
Oh, you know them something there?
Oh, you don't know won't hurt you.
You just all you know walk and make up bumbleclad things.
That's the way you think. You don't know when I click the X off of this and press N what happened in my blood clot phone. But it's because them nobody not really trouble me, let me not trouble back people. Yeah. When them trouble me, then I show on the beatings. Come, baby, come! 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 Hey, come, baby! Bling Bling, what you say now?
Me not have no for some love, me don't say.
Come. 6 more rows, 6 more rows.
Come,
5 more rows, 5 more rows.
Oh, me never review your case or your man call you auntie. And we all our pussy done and we walk and suck how much wood. She class you come. So I want them tell her that.
Come, I said you should never in a boxer bring down nobody or speak on anybody's situation because your baby father never approve you because Bymada don't approve you. And I also said, Compound, you should never in a people marriage life because remember your baby father come call you auntie. Come, all I can do is click back your life, I can't beat me. Sorry, come, but it's just the truth. Somehow we not to speak on people's situation because we have our own situation over this. So we look at all the own embarrassing moments are going. Yes, that is what I said, come. Yes. Remember you're pregnant for your nephew. Yes. So sometimes, somehow we feel leave people. So when you bring back my name, you're going to say, come, put on my pot when I come. And she blood clot can knock me out and put on. Me just say, come, should I speak on people marriage life, whether she pick up for the husband and I done the girl, whether she pick up for the girl and I done the husband, because come have her own a little situation.
Yeah.
Then I want community center. Is it true my security them tall and type? You see, if all I would in our community center, enough of we don't have so much blood clot mouths. Where all of we are meet.
All we not have no community. Well, all we not have no community center.
Get looking out of face. Would I mean nobody could trouble me because me at the court, me at the liar. Me have the most security.
All we not have community center. We have a blood clot TikTok platform. We click on the live. We say when me have blood clots, a certain situation, somehow we
nobody that bring down the girl.
Not even the man she not fair bring down. She married.
Me never remember if the woman better bring down the man neither.
Not pick up on nobody's situation. Nobody.
Watch blood clots we saw. No dirty Jezebel drunk up. But me blood clot tell you all out of this. Wanna come suck up me pussy tongue and one of me bun the clot.
So I think I have the video with that. Yeah, I have the live there. You see me? So if you look on the channel, you know what I mean, you go see the live there. So who know what you can watch it and hear what come did I say about the whole thing with Dinier and his wife Rochelle.
She not come bring down her blood clot husband. Where you feel like you need the audacity for bring blood clot?
Nobody that bring down fucking Dinier. Nobody never bring down the we know Dinier are going foreign.
But sooner over there.
Dinier are going foreign. Come doing medical. Mackerel fuck off. When was Rochelle now left Dinier? We're review case.
I baby, now go the husband I go a baby. Whoa. And if
every time the girl them send you come over here to come argue with me. Tell them to come argue with me themselves. Any girl will pay your dirty blood clot to come argue with me. Tell them to come argue with me themselves.
To come argue with you, because remember Mackerel there.
But Mackerel, you can't argue with me. You don't know about
I
everything.
speak
You
for the
don't walk and make up.
streets.
All I do is walk and make up score. You
Them
don't
no
know
need
about
to
blood
come.
clot
Them
me.
no need for blood clot. Argue with blood clot. You become Mackerel there.
Me no need no tire. Who the fuck is Mackerel? Mackerel torment. Mackerel need to go back in a blood clot thing. You know blind?
Bling bling.
Okay, go back in a tin. Yeah.
Bling bling. Bling bling. Come blood clot over there.
I last game this me play because we're going to review blood clots in here case it not done. I'm going to rest and me top until me feel like top. So a whole blood clot I don't have to watch me. You see like how you come here this morning? Come, leg on your beak. This make me not rest until me fear a vice say stop.
Bling bling.
You come over here and you style the girl. You style the girl and the style and that you do. Cause we never know say people not like Rochelle. Me never know that.
Bling bling. The whole TikTok knows that people don't really like Rochelle.
But how do you know people don't like her? Why would you say that when she click her live, people are watch her? She not have people are watch her when she click live?
I said, them don't like me there, know. I'm not afraid to say, but remember, say he's a blood clot, one man whose blood clot stand against the world. Each time when I see what screen I call the pretty girl, and she say, my husband, on a quick for bring down the woman, on a quick for drag the woman.
But you know, listen, I tell you, say you can't say that because I don't know that, and I don't lie. You know, no blood clots like me, I tell. So me can't bother with you. Me hate when me talk the truth, and I say, fuckery. Me don't know about the woman. Me never know about my husband, nothing. Me don't know say people don't like the woman.
So all you don't know about the woman, right? But you know, quick for blood clot, go click back to our whole church service.
I know church service, we had to review. Big pussy girl, we had to review.
You don't know about somebody. All the blood clot, you click back to go to review.
That's what we're trying to get at so we can take it to the courthouse on Thursday.
Courthouse, your blood clot. We're not going to review with come with fear being father, we are called she uncle.
What are we come hurt you? And we come the two come. Why come hurt you so much? She brown and nice and you black and favor blood clot sin? And that?
Come on, old blood clot, woman. She not feel a blood clot.
You know, if you go you think you're going to live for the come age, that's on a blood clot problem. And I love that about girl all. Girl all but girl still can't take on a bumbo clot, man.
Only if cause did know.
Let me ask you something now. Let me style clothes. Cause a blood clot, nobody. Cause a nobody.
Don't talk about my friend.
Cause a nobody.
That's why the blood clot make. Imagine your baby father make you whole a feel friend them black no. Black you, and you over here blood clot, discuss blood clot people. And your baby father make you whole a feel friend them black you.
It's like you have something with mackerel.
No, yeah, I don't have anything. What is one thing?
So why you just step on again?
Yo, mackerel mode, bad you know. Remember Cam did say able boss must be black hair, and I think Lando did black hair. I don't remember, but she said able boss did black hair. You see me? And I could tell them for black hair. Boy, mackerel mode body ain't easy, you know.
Blood clot box. I want some people in the back.
And she alone, Mrs. Spanish screen a card in. And probably as she alone, I fear blood clot business what she need for go fix in the box. Go fix your business for your blood clot, get your opinion on people's situation. Whether you bring them down or not, you're not supposed to advise your opinion. You know why? No married to Denier and Rochelle. Come, you're married. If boy choose you, and you're the foreign. If boy choose you, no. Him choose Sasha.
Oh, the boy for choose her when I be up here in the blood clot science.
Yeah.
Blood clot. You just too because cause friend them can send you a little one gift every now and then and give you a little one money. That's why you go on so.
And to tell you the truth, cause friend them don't shoot for me. But after when people talk the blood clot,
Yeah, but not shoot for you. Yeah, but not shoot for you.
Able don't shoot for me.
Guys, able don't shoot for
Guys,
my
thank you. Abel, don't shoot for me. Lando, don't shoot for me. Cuz, don't shoot for me. They don't. But the point,
Come, bad. Come,
in a
I
matter.
can't believe. And we did I say.
Me
And we
can
never say
bling,
things.
listen. Me can never come in here, guys. When you're not understand. Me can never come in your box. Converse the opinion. Cause you know why? A girl did have to buy my baby father from me. So that is my own situation. I could have never come and say, yes, Dinia, you're wrong. Yes, Rochelle, if you left the boy. No. Because you know why? A girl did buy blood. She thirsty and she want to give her daughter to my baby father. When the daughter reached certain age, so she did have to buy my baby father. I don't respond to none of them. So I couldn't advise my situation. So she's not supposed to over there advise who she thinks she is. Who she thinks she is.
But Mackerel, you have a beef with Cam. You have something with Cam. Cam was not the only person. I was there too.
And she alone, me see a show. And she alone, me see a show.
Oh, so I saw them bill it then. I saw them bill it for share alone.
Come have her own situation that she needs to go fix. Go
Cam
fix the
no
situation.
She cut the woman come on live. The lady come on live and she explain her situation and she talk what she go do and she blood clot done. The woman no hide nothing. The woman say she go to Jamaica go blood clot do DNA. Let me tell you no.
Shut up. Why you have to come on live? When God did I tell you a blood clot private? Why you never did go blood clot do it? Why you didn't have to wait till I get look at acknowledgement? They come tell the world say, yeah, that's never gonna fix. You don't see the part where me I try and make I know you're blind blinger. That is what I need to go and fix. Go and fix your own situation. More than over here advice on people's situation when they have your own situation to fix. Yeah, get where I try to say bling bling.
Mackerel, I have to go. Have a good day. Have a good day.
Bling bling.
Bling, I can't manage Mackerel people. Mackerel full of too much talk. Mackerel full of mouth. You see me I say? So, Miss Bling, I can't go toe to toe with Mackerel. You know what I mean? But, on a level still, with people, as I said before, it's just a show where people voice them opinion on a certain topic where I run up and down on social media. You know what I mean? I don't think the people them mean no harm or them have no bad ill will for the people them involved in whatever them a discuss. Them just a discuss a topic with upon the media. So may I say I just provide some entertainment for the people them. You see it? So Mackerel defending cause I not too have no problem with that in a way because that I just fear opinion. You know what I mean? Because you can't fight on a person for them opinion. You understand? But you also can't tell a person how to respond to whatever opinion you have upon them. You see it? So we soon hear from Cam. And what she have to say about the Mackerel.
No send no more request for you rest of the day. Come back tomorrow. Come back tomorrow.
Bling bling. You know what? You have blood clot. Come. With your
Sometimes I'm sight go. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm sight go, but you not hear me. You not hear what me I say.
Oh, it go.
Me I try to tell you say. Come find it hard to believe what Denier did. And we have to tell her say, come, are you fucking naive? The man even come out and say, whatever. We even, she said, me no believe. Me don't know why you sit back.
Send him a trial attack.
If you look some blood clot kind, say you look some kind and stop the fuckery.
Bring him match, send him match. Why my people them listen make them shoot. Yeah.
And I have nothing more to say. I can't bother. I'm tired of you now.
Send him match, man. Send him match while they're talking. You can't just attack. So not send him match.
Send the match. I last match this.
With Ja the match. With Ja. Bling with Ja the match, man.
Me withdraw it.
Say now come off of my screen.
I don't know.
I start to palm my
Yeah.
Alright. Continue telling people them what the baby mother send me.
So bling. You say, come, she can't believe. Right? What Dinia do. Me still ask you, who is content to believe, or don't believe, or misbelieve, or in a denial, or delusional when she have her own situation? That me just ask you, girl.
Alright. Why is it Ck3D? Why you hate Ck3D so much? Why Ck3D is a problem to you?
I don't hate Ck3D. I don't. More than me just say, Ck3D not supposed to want delusional in other people business and astonishing in other people business when she have her own business. And that me just say.
But I know she alone did them on the live. Why them people them screen record she alone at the stuff? You know see that? You know see the screen recording no right.
Probably she alone do the most. Ever think about that?
She was not doing the most. She was not doing the most. You did have a next girl up at the top. I forgot what she name. I think she was doing. Not even me did I do the most. But what may I go say to you now?
I don't know the next girl situation. When the blood clot come up. No, nobody can send me.
Yeah, it look like a peer get to come over here, come start fuckery. I that them do? You gonna tell them say me no rest or me no care.
So people me did watch the live, you know what I mean, as well. Me say me have the live, you know what I mean, on the channel, so you can go watch it if you want. You see me, I think about the last 4 videos or something like that in other region. And I go see the title still. But Ck3D wasn't the person on the live where bring down Denier or Rochelle. You know what I mean? You did have some other females where they on the live where them advise them opinion strongly. You see me? I say Ck3D did advise for her opinion, yes, but she never really did go hard. You see me? So me can't say that about Ck3D. You see me? But it is what it is. You see me? I say. So me go watch some more.
Bling bling. Yes, a big woman.
What that have to do with blood clot me?
Body lip like under your pussy candy. Candy, you need one of these lips. Why you not go cause Candy too? Candy will always say she love suck old. And she is Candy. And Candy she the pan porn. No. And all of the XX them.
Then she have to do what she have to do. The girl at work. No fear lines. That she have to do what she have to do. That don't have to do with me.
Denier have to do with him for blood clot. What she have to do with him for blood clot.
Denier have to go out and fuck and protected and breed, girl.
In fact, that him have to do what that him have to do.
But why would you do something like that to say you're not right?
All I want to say, the girl tell all I want to say, she thinks that she could get pregnant, right? And that may hear the girl say she say. So she tell her husband say he can go get another child. So the man do him after blood clot.
But that was in the beginning. Now that him find out that she can breed and everything, why did he go and get another child and another child?
It's in the midst of she pregnant and the other girl pregnant. It's in the midst of everything.
No, that was the first one.
13 rows.
That was the first one. After him find out that she can breed, why did he go and breed other people?
The man never go there go get no second child. It's too pitney alone, the man have. Too pitney. Ross Club boyfriend over here.
Him have 2 pitney?
Come, not supposed to talk about other blood clot people like that. Me a blood
why?
clot.
Why you say that? Where come do you? What you didn't want fuck cause or you fuck cause? What is it?
Come baby father cause she uncle. She not for 3 more road guys. So she not for speak for nobody situation.
And people, the whole anti-situation, that ain't nothing. You see me, I say, that is just a slang. You know what I mean? It don't mean say I look upon her as him anti. You see me? Me no feel so. The anti thing, me feel like is a slang. You understand? Although if him say anti that no really nothing. You see me? Cause most young boy, if you ask them are gonna tell you say them want a big woman. You understand me I say? Yeah man. And enough big woman a sweep enough of them young girl your foot. I take them man from them. You see me? Because big woman more care for you and them genuinely love you. And enough of them not really want much from you but more than attention and some good sex. You see it?
Husband and my man call me mommy. So what the blood clot you say?
Yeah. Auntie, man say, auntie, man come in, imagine you are people situation, and your husband say, auntie. It's too much auntie, You want to breathe for you never far. You over there bring down blood clot, Rochelle and Denier. You over there speak, give you
Answer this.
on.
Answer this. My man and my husband call me mommy. How is that? Where the problem in that?
You can't call me no mommy, a blood clot. Yes, baby, no, baby. Sugar pie chocolate.
Them call me baby too.
There's so much things you can call me more than mommy.
Yeah,
Look
but
like
them call me baby too, but them call me mommy
boy,
too.
they're right, man. Then come call me mommy. Me and the boy you fuck right now. Call me mommy if you think about me. Look
No,
at
you never call your mommy when you fuck. But what wrong with you, Mackerel? You're young. You don't know star. You're fucking young.
Blood clot call me mommy. A boy call me sugar pie. A boy call me Hershey's. A
Yeah,
boy call me fuck good. Something.
Yo.
Call me, what you call me mommy. Yeah, you call me.
Mackerel full of chat your fault.
A boy call me title. Yeah. But a boy can't call me look like your mommy. May I give you a suck?
Yo, Mackerel mode, bad enough people. Yeah, man. So we are going to listen Cam party and know my people because Cam hot for Mackerel and I know say if Cam did that at Jamaica, it would have be some fight we go on. And we can't rule that out of the thing because Cam them look like some bad girl. You know what I mean? So we go watch Cam party and know my people. So I can play it, you know, my people.
Yeah, it will cut you out in a handle, but you see sardine, you have that sense that you're in a left you. I don't know the problem what you have with me. Me no want to know because me no fuck girl and me no try to fuck girl and me never ever one time think about fucking a girl. So when you are at me for, me no interested and me no want to know. You understand? Only thing me go ask you, come on from the back. You understand? You may go say to you, when my baby father called me Auntie Cam, that's a name when me and him start talking. He start calling me Auntie Cam before me even give him the pussy. I can fix it for you.
Yeah.
I was doing a promotion. Also was doing a promotion for a party. And the party when me a promote, and my niece I keep the party. When me do the video, me say to me in the video, me say, big up me niece and Keita, me big her up. When me big her up, me say, you don't know, say Auntie Cam, love you. I send the video to Mr. Cuz. When I send the video to him, he say, no, me like, this is not Auntie Cam, me call it as from today. And him just stick the name for me. All my friends call me Auntie Cam, and me never have a problem with that. So when he come on the media and he say Auntie Cam, you don't notice me never blaze up and me never something because that Auntie Cam is that him just stick that in the family. When me and him that Jamaican with that Asian, we have fuck all over the place, he stick that in the family, Auntie Cam. So when you come and say you call it Auntie Cam and Uno have you not put one with you, fine with Uno because guess what? That is what him want call me Auntie Cam. Ask him back in front of me, he never mean in a way. So me don't know about this little dirty water when I move from nowhere and jump on me. I can tell you something. You have a eye problem, go blood clot, fix it, because you're all over the place. You understand? I would do this alone, me see with fear type of eye them. And me can understand the people that would do this, but then yeah, I go so. For your blood clot, yeah, don't play teeth at all. You understand? You don't play teeth or blood clot at all.
Yeah,
and for me, baby, me no cost God work. But you see, for me, baby, born perfect. Remember that blood clot there on TikTok. Never. No media at all. Never. One time. Give me contribution to prayer. I can argue with you. TikTok or nothing, no platform. Never give me contribution to prayer. I'm sure some of them put up on blood clot playing go fix girl pitney eye. You see the man where you take? Remember, me not gonna take him. Because remember, I just said TikTok give to take for your man. Me not gonna take for him because I love bad man and I want to fool man me ever take on a blood clot cause me not take no more fool man. You understand? Me don't know what you want with me. I want me ever do ya? But me I do something for you right now. Me want you nasty girl. I can see if this is still good. Me want you cause
boy, Cam did go explicit and do some things, you know what I mean? Where me have to skip out. So we skip out a little part there. Yes, the pizza show. Alright.
when me I see my blood, one time I just have the baby and of me, come lick out the deepest part of my body and the cap looking blood clot, y'all. My baby father called me come, but your mama blood clot abundance you, and son you got one blood clot abundance too. You forget?
Oh, yes, actually, you know. I'm Mackerel got one, I think, one slow learning school or something like that, you know. I mean, Mackerel and her mother did, you know what I mean, have a back and forth on the internet too, you know. Yeah, man. But why people that saga, yeah, I wonder if it just continue or it a go have part few. So we are gonna watch the whole of this and listen out for part few.
Don't read mine. Don't read blood clot mind germs. Remember, say you got handicap school, go learn to talk and blood clot, try to see. Yeah, yeah? You don't know
Yeah, I
nothing about me,
know.
Mackerel. You don't know nothing about me, Mackerel. Understand? Me can tell you something. Now me a class all in baby. It's time you come out and worry about me. And my blood clot good pitney with God neck. Because so your pitney, God, I'm sure it's a God did never want to get that baby there. Me know God never want to get that baby there. No worry about me after me good pitney. I talk about put your pitney ugly. Your pitney blood clot ugly like you. John Croft. The handicap looking blood clot. Watch me and you. Where you come from? Where you come trouble me for? Me trouble you? Let me ask you. Me trouble you? Me deep on talking at anybody saga when me want talking at. Cause me a talk out of my good mouth. And me cause as much as he younger than me, I really blood clot girl in them 30 and early 40s. I fuck blood clot boy were young. One lead. Me won't be the first and me won't be the last. So I make my fuck to cause somebody so much because me sure it's a cause now fuck you.
Nothing wrong with that, you know, people. You know what I mean? As long as you're over the age of consent, you're good. You can deal with anybody where you want to deal with. Some might morally, it a go look away still. You understand? But anybody can talk to anybody. Once illegal if you have sex. You know what I mean? No woman not too big. Although some of them when them reach certain age, you have to just lower them. You know what I mean? A sin for the with, you know what I mean, certain people. But you know what I mean, if you're legal, nothing wrong. You see me I say, cause me say before, the young youth them love big man. Yeah, the young youth them love big man. And whatever come I say right now, me not gonna say she wrong for say this and wrong for say that. Because you want me, you know, you can't say certain things about a person and tell them how to respond to you. And what off limit and them way there. You see it. But the youth innocent still, the picnic innocent. But me still can't tell a person what he say.
Because me sure it's a cause now fuck you. Cause I one thing would him choose who for fuck and who for sucking blood clot cocky. I mean I ask Christ if he not make you sucking cocky. Him nah do that. Say me know for a fact say him nah give you the blood clot privilege to sucking much less to go up in your thinking handicap hole. Jonesy girl. Let me ask you something. We see you. Bro. Come. Go fix your eye. You do all for them yeah that fix your eye and the all of the blood clot place like upscotch. Go fix your eye. Go and fix your motherfucking eye and go take care of your kidney. You see my baby has got blood clot fault. You go up time with your blood clot rice. Because it's only a kid who call it kidney rice. Me, I'm never out of my room call my baby rice. Hide them and take care of your child. Put your picnic in a good blood clot clothes.
And the rice the picnic name. The picnic name Taekwondo. Why Mackerel give the picnic name Taekwondo? Taekwondo, I think Taekwondo is a what I say, some martial art thing with them do, you know. Yeah, I think it's a martial art something to do with martial art. You know what I mean? Taekwondo is the youth name.
contribution. We got to know upon prayer or know upon blood clot. Let's see. Yeah, come over here, come argue, come call me name. Don't call me name, I'm going to put your platform handicap looking thinking gal. Don't call me name. Cause when I fuck around, you down a blood clot me, and still I fuck, no get nothing out of fuck on the all about. Me no box. Blood clot, box thinking gal. Argue with me. Adam bright. I come about. Come. Leave me alone. Blood clot alone. Look who the favor blood. Miss, I never see a girl favor. I can't even discriminate her. You can't look like blood clot me. I when your friend then jump up and talk about me this and me that. Who know I'm gonna talk cause I have a stinking mouth to talk. And that me I tell you. Stinking stuff, I don't get to work. You ever work for your man? Let me ask you. Cause I don't want to argue with independent blood clot people. The one time you see you buy one piece of blood clot second and fuckery. Me don't know about that. You see you buy one little piece of second and blood clot fuckery. And so pussy clot that even we have tall, not even a week and you crash. And you put the blame on bumbo clot. Dizzy.
Yeah, no. Why? With the whole kizzy thing and mackerel thing, me feel say it did go left. You know what I mean? Because mackerel did hurt say she just buy her car and kizzy crash it. And me understand the reason why mackerel did go so hard, because mackerel say when kizzy did drive the car, she did talk bad about the car. You know what I mean? Like she a bad mouth the car and I go on some way. You know what I mean? And it caused them friendship. You see me? But me no feel like some mackerel should have go so in pan come because the dinner situation, it no know where shape or form involve mackerel. If mackerel go so hard pan come. You see me? And everything we come I say right now, she have all right to say what she has say. You know what I mean? Because I'm mackerel trouble her. Simple as that.
Still give you a piece of old car. Where is it? Blood clot Benz are my one. Me one Benz, me one black clot Ford, me one Avalon, me one Honda. Where you one? The piece of dirty carry with your salt. Come here, go fix yourself. Go learn to cook and go learn to clean. Cause your blood nasty no blood clot.
Yeah.
Nasty. Cook and learn to clean. You have a homework. Any day you put a pot of blood clot, oxtail or roast beef. Pussy clot TikTok and say, Auntie, come. See, I do my duty. You come back for me. Any day you can roast piece of beef. Make sure it roast good. And cook some oxtail and rice and peas. You come back for me because you can't cook and you can't clean. You can't do nothing.
Mackerel, that's a challenge.
I'm bright. Yes. What you depend me name for? Me say no fuck cause me no fuck girl. Me no fuck out cause he's still there for fuck and he nah fuck you. You come and talk about my friend and me this and me that. I don't know if I can talk and me say me guarantee set me that blood clot Jamaica me pull up in the way and beat up your blood clot. Remember that. No if I know attack, me want to keep the same blood clot energy cause anyone who done in Jamaica me find no man cause you never know who me. Fucking out hard and bright.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, that's me want to promise this handicap looking blood personal.
Watch yourself, mackerel.
Stink and stay bad. Your blood clot, hey girl, go and fix yourself. Favor macaroni in a blood clot. Go fix yourself.
What macaroni you do?
Yeah, because
Mackerel, you first got trouble the woman. You see me? So anything we come to you, have to just take it. You see me? I mean, no, say come we fight mackerel still, you know, people, because come them a bad girl. You see it? You can hear by how them talk. You see me? I say, I hope say not reach that far still. You know what I mean? But mackerel, you got trouble a sleeping lion. You understand me? You see it? And Mackerel come admit it say she can't cook for real, and her boyfriend that arise him did say she can't cook. You know what I mean? Like Mackerel never learned them type of things then. Because I think she said she grew up with maid helper. So she have people who cook for them. Is it? But even if a girl grew up with helper, the mother supposed to see to it that she grew on the helper, go learn some of the things them, you know what I mean? You have to can cook as a woman. Man, that not too bad. The body not too bad. But as a woman, you have to learn to can cook. But in a Jamaica still, the man them always a chef more than the woman them still, you know. Yeah man, in a Jamaica the man them always can cook better than them way them. I don't know why still. Maybe because enough of the man them when them a grow up, them used to run pot with them friend them and them something there. That are the reason why them learn to cook more than the woman them. Is it? But the man them always a better chef. In a Jamaica, I don't know about nowhere else.
Over, it's personal.
Because I would have never agree nobody in that comment. Because they need to mind my opinion. Yes, him try to reach out to me. He never try him reach out to me and me turn him down. Me and my opinion don't need nothing from blood clot cause. You can suck out my body wall and move no blood clot and go away. This dirty blood clot girl come up. I may never have nothing against this girl, you know. Because I just come from the live and listen I listen to her course and I make up her nice as till one time you said, come, she over your class. Me say not to be a woman. Me do this girl. Me not do this girl no. What you come for me for? I come for me man, go fix your blood clot life and love my one. Cause my life, me sure to God so not do my blood clot life. Not do my life, cause me not keeps blood clot secret. Cause me not look out nobody but you all. Come suck me germs. Fucking bright and feisty. Come this and come that. And come and the boy come auntie. Okay, fine. Me know the reason why you notice me not have a problem with him calling me auntie. All I in front of him and himself call me so. And but all they do for they tell him friend to black yo. When they tell him that me what happen? Because he upset because me tell him friend them say me every before me even confront it to him. So that's why he upset. And nothing else.
But I know this just sound personal to me because no matter what, I just you.
I'm not cousin. Somebody with she sit down and then PR fi come because I whole heap of them a try to reach out because they want a piece of me and them on the internet. But we now get the piece of me on the internet because me now come back about you. You don't know nothing about me. Me don't know nothing about blood clot you more than no see the on the internet and you big and nasty and now blood clot beard. And you not keep yourself good. You favor. Me say girl just say I want the whole time calculator. Go fix yourself and move because me not ask Christ if you look all and blood clot me and me all on you.
Yeah.
I mean, you look like you're in your 30s and you know that no one in your 30s yet. And you look like you're in your 30s. You're fucking outside and bright. Me see you. Me come on you come trouble you. Me never have nothing with this blood clot unscrupulous dog. I come and call me. No call me name stinking girl. Don't call me name because you're not no sense in a girl. Remember so you tell us something you know. You do promoting. I don't want to go everywhere. Hey, girl, me tell us I don't know your friend where me and you're not friend, but if you can leave me a blood clot loan, because I will book you for your promotion and fuck you up. Leave me the fuck alone. Leave me alone. Because you say, yeah, you have a run in your blood clot head. I will make it steady. I will make that blood clot your head steady in your grave. Don't fuck with me. Don't fuck with me. You hear me I tell you? Come in a blood clot, see ya. Oh.
Why Mackerel trouble the wrong one? John, no.
Come and call me name. Come, call me name. Call me blood clot name. Call me book your blood clot. I make them find you in one place. Don't fuck with me.
And that's why I say still in people like artists, enough artists will say them are bad man and them something there and you know what I mean, like public figures where them have to do show on them something there. Me no feel like say them for chuck badness in a no way. You know what I mean? Because as we come say, them can just book you for your show. You see what I say? And just hurt you. Because I think one of the time this rapper named Young Buck, he's from G Unit. right? Him and I think Little Wayne did have some kind of issue or whatever. And here with the dog though, him book Little Wayne for a show in him hometown. And I show him say, yo, you see, me could have hurt you. You know what I mean? So you have to be careful what you do when you do bookings. You know what I mean? Period, you have to be careful what you do, but especially when you do bookings. You know what I mean? People can book you and set you up.
Oh, God, I'm right. Me not see you. Me not know your friend away. I me know some blood club. Boss a friend them fuck you out of a Spanish town. And long time me hear you about you all the time when me keep on the party, then I say, get Mackerel. Me say, no, she not going with nothing. You all a boss of blood. Me never remember the boy the name. Fuck you from one end to the next and over blood clot them some. Bright. Someone left that barrier. Come and need to have. Who is you? Your name Dinian? No. Your name Rochelle? No. Me say me attack on Rochelle's side because me a woman to where. Yeah, come over here and call me name, boy, you rub. Go rub yourself. If you have a blood clot, bun sugar.
But you know, see she come over here come style. Rochelle, under style.
Yo. Yo, come out some style more while more than where she find them still, you know. One time here, come say, me no remember if I want to call Bymada. I think I the one named Sasha one at the time, like come and say, you favor bees in a goody. Yo, Jano, Mackerel for a bun sugar to blood clot. Yo, Jaja.
The name, like some promise you fuck. Y'all little He come like he
Jano, style.
He piss fire too. Kind of a put more down near you. So you see him.
No man, I think I'm on the Mackerel live man.
Maybe before the last time he called me. When me and him chat on video call, I want girl a suck him food and he said, mother look here. So I would never want to go back to all the water. I would never want to go back around this so. Then me be able to come like a friend. A blood clot friend. So I not see what make my business about you. You know when them bun blood clot sugar for chop and meat when they nana brownie, you think no blood clot. You know nothing about me? Go fix your hair and take care of your blood clot kidney. Because I one thing me sure say, look at it. Your pitney band, you have your man in your house and your pitney band and when the man see sight and your pitney in blood clot walk out left you. You think so me could have in my Bymada pregnancy from before pitney evil band. Before pitney evil band and when pitney band me I walk out, you should have shame. You have a problem just like how me have one then. Put it son. You should have shame.
No, I don't say go come. Listen, one lady named Perfect. Send him one baby kitten. I want Interstellar and take him from Mackerel. And right now
I want him what gone. Right now. He don't want nothing so. He don't want nothing so he gone. Then if you can make one Interstellar, make you left your blood clot, baby mother. Eh? One little blood clot gift. When they work for 50,000.
When them a come from far, because when she used to shit in a bucket. She used to shit in a bucket and Perfect and rice carry out the shit out of the bucket, go dash away every day.
Sure,
and that's where them a come from, shit in a bucket. And Perfect send one baby kitten and one Interstellar and take with rice. A rice, a Perfect of rice now for good.
Ja, no. Mackerel go stir up a ant's nest to blouse and skirt. Mackerel you have to just take what you get. And you go trouble you woman. You see what I say? So we could listen to some more people. Ah, mighty.
Water, jacuzzi, eat and them blood clot in the house. When they are 20 years old and them in their 20s and they now do blood clot, but no one can act with blood clot independent me. Thinking, girl. You're fucking out of that breath. I want to dry down my jaws and tear my body your blood clot, you see. And that I want to do. You're fucking out of that. Like me see you when you look handicap blood clots. Look for me, you see no blood clot problem for me. You see no problem for me, girl. Go fix
Me
your
not go
mouth.
like, come, this sound personal, cause no matter what a come she depend. Come, all the come she. The come
I
she.
said listener. I said
Yeah.
listener, look handicap thinking blood clot, girl. Favor one time, them press blood. I can't even describe
Yeah,
it.
you
Look,
will
blood
cut
clot
your
run me by the
finger
bumbo
against the way
hole.
where you see
Cause everybody have
sardine,
blue something
you
to get
have
fat
that
and
paper,
put
your
on look
finger
with
will
and she
left you.
would she can't she blood
I
clot
don't know
good
the
and she
problem what
can't
you
get
have
fat.
with me. Me no want
You buy
know
one piece of
because
bumbo
me no
clot
fuck.
car when favor me don't know what. You now have to care for 1 week and you crash. You see your salt. You're big on salt. Go beard off the salt off of you. Fucking out hard and bright. I'm thinking mackerel. So this is so surprising. Me not see the little dirty.
Why people, it's like how me sibling eat the pineapple. Me couldn't eat it, you know. Me don't know people eat pineapple still, you know, people. Me not like, but me can't eat it. Me can't eat it. Unless I the very sweet one. See one we have a little sour to it. Me can't eat that, bro. You're mad. And tambourine and them sitting there. Me can't eat them, they're sitting there.
Ugly cranny looking thinking gal, you know. And she the pambling and sitting, I call me name. Come the feel over here this and come for this. Everything. I want the woman
But God know, girl. God know. Me there me a try to justify it. Me I say, so why you come? Cause me say no shell one did that talk. No matter what me I say, it's like the woman still a say, but come. I mean, so what about the other girl in the box? If she don't want to hear that, I know.
My baby father come, he never call me no bumbo clock baby mother. When he call me baby mother, that's secretly, yeah. If you call me auntie, my love when he call me auntie, I'm my nephew. I'm my nephew.
Put some shit up on me.
But take care of your mother. When last you go look for your mama. When last you go look for your mother. Cause your mother the company, your child, you're a child molesting a girl. Your father molest you. Thinking all. Your mama molest you nasty blood clot. Thank you so much. Your mama, your daddy molest you. Your mother abandoned blood clot you. So if cause now in my daughter life, fine. Me near mama. And me to take care of me. Your mother abandoned you, carry you got handicap school and let your nasty blood clot. Remember good now? You come out from media walk fever blood clot antsness. Fever when you tapping the antsness and the whole like answer my one where them to go. Move your bumbo clot handicap like save your girl. I'm gonna take care of your pussy clot pitney. You have one next big pitney. When last you see your biggest pitney? When last you see your biggest pitney? You know fuck and not fuck with nothing.
Mackerel got to be wrong one.
The boy still not stay with your blood clot there. Your baby are never 2-year-old good yet. I want you put sometime last year and you fuck. And probably gonna be one and another boy never fuck me from prayer band. Not even want to fuck me because me a good mother. Go suck your mama girl if you have none. Fucking bright. Prayer boy from me have my baby. The last man who fuck me a cause. Until today, the last one who fuck me a cause. Me a good mama. If you pick me just man with the blood clot and you start fuck already, I know you fuck more than 4 or 5 man. Me not ask. But you come on platform to me. I want all you see and thump it right in the yard and fix it good. Fucking bright.
Yeah.
Come, not go on for mackerel. Mackerel them done and dead. Listen.
You're not body, girl. You're not body. Mackerel,
nothing go on for listen. Nothing go on for them. Them revolt and them don't know. So when them say,
them beat up your blood clot at Jamaica, girl. I was
when them say,
them beat up your blood clot in a girl.
Chad, me a hypocrite. Go suck your mother about me a hypocrite. All a black drunk crow. Oh, me a hypocrite.
Support your woman. I don't see your germs. I don't see you.
She for class or blood clot. What you mean if me a mackerel and a friend? I'm not saying mackerel for me a couple
watch me now.
I'm gonna put soul and come out from my life, yeah, man.
Watch yourself, mackerel.
Me see you thinking, girl.
I'm gonna girl. Mackerel them done out and dead out. See new people them here we are running place. See we are. Old blood clot people what them say.
blood clot me there from about 2016 and 2017 and I don't see all me can see y'all move with a blood clot bag. So look a trash bag.
Come press the match, come here look money for go home.
All me see a blood clot, me not see it. All me see you do I walk up and down with bag. When you move out of people's house, you think me move out of nobody else and I move with bag? Germs. All me see you do a bag. Yeah, move out with. Nothing more.
Yeah, no
you jump down by a
star.
bumper cloth out here before you go buy some furniture and some good clothes. Because when a promotion you put on ear upon your head and your ear them not look good. Your ear them and no matter them try to fix the makeup on your face, yeah, I can't fix and your makeup still nasty. Yeah. See you look, see me? Fever blood clot geese. You fever the blood clot geese. I drive for somewhere outside parking. I don't want to call the police out of parking.
Oh, come, full of some chat still full of some lyrics in a bedroom.
If personal card come, me know what me wonder.
Mackerel like wrong when you mess
Me
with.
wonder what.
Ja, no star.
Personal bad. You look up handicap looking for a Godzilla no blood clot. Eh? I don't bring me have an imperfect, you fuck. Perfect. You know the site I got thanks God for Jesus to blood clot. Thank God for Jesus. Eh? Yeah, come argue with me. And you push out blood clot, pick you want help. Thinking, girl. Argue with me. You fucking look a bit and bright. Run that so much good. Can go run on that back on your so. And not even about going to Burlington, go walk up and down. Yeah, I took kissing on a blood clot sense. I took kissing on a sense. But kiss you buy back car, give you because you want good car. Go kiss it, your owners. Owners on your blood clot. And that kiss it do you. You know see? Because you want to size up with good, nice and clean blood clot people are not fit. Boy, you kiss your friend. Me kiss your friend. Your bike, but I force me to somebody a bike car and can't drive. You fool no pussy class. Fi hype. Eh? What you hype on? Your bike car.
But Mackerel still have the car still, you know. And a Rice used to drive it most of the time. A Rice used to drive it overall. You see me? And she still have the car until this day. So me I wonder who drive the car, you know, or if she can drive, you know. I know.
But let me ask you, what the blood clot you hype on? Pan fuckery? This are mine. Look Panny. I can't beat them in this blood clot. You see there? Mercedes. I might accident money by this. Look Panny. I might accident money by this. And three other people me have before that. I can turn up on the top of this blood clot here and dent it up. You hear? I can go up on top of this and dent up it ras. Look. It belongs to blood clot. Me.
Mind a job,
see there?
man.
I
Mind a
can
job.
jump in this blood clot here. You're fucking out hard and bright. You hear? No care blood clot payment no depend on it. Pay me accident money by Ck3D Mackerel. Now argue with me. Don't argue with blood clot me. Thinking, gal. And go fix yourself. You fucking look a bit of stink. Me see ya?
What time in New York now, people?
So people, we are going to done it righteous, so we are going to end it. You know what I mean? Mackerel, you should have think before you mess with Cam. You know what I mean? Because Cam, I go give it to you raw. You know what I mean? You see me I say. So you have to just take what you get, Mackerel. Because you first trouble the woman. You know what I mean? I mean, I think Cam done with Mackerel yet still not. You see me I say Mackerel have some more cussing forget. But me just hope so them keep it on the internet and lyrical. And not go the physical route. Yes, so I say because Mackerel can't manage Cam if you go to that. So Cam have to just slow it. You know what I mean? Nobody go that route there. The physical route. So what you have to say on the internet, you know what I mean? And what you see already beat Mackerel bad. So you don't have to go the physical route. You know what I mean? So people are right, just so I go end it. Just let me know what you think, yeah man. Ja no star.